Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I have received a lot of questions on how am I using the weekly pages of my Ink Bucket planner. So today I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of how I have used the weekly pages in my Ink Bucket planner for the month of January. So this is how my January month was. This was my dashboard. I will blur this out a little bit wherever I think fit. But these are the key questions that I would like to answer. One is what worked this week. Second is what did not work this week. And third is what I am hoping to do in the next week. And if I do have space, I will put in a grateful section also. My weekly dashboard page, as you can see, I'm currently doing some sort of art journaling here. This is again the same three questions that I've tried to answer. What went well? What did not go well? What can I do next week? Exactly the same questions. And yeah, this goes on, and these were essentially my weeks in January. The last week is something that I decorated. It looks so pretty. I would love to have written in this, but unfortunately I did not have the time in the last week of January, and that goes blank. This is my monthly dashboard for February. I've just filmed a video on this, so you will be able to see this on my channel. Please go and have a look. So let's start with the first week of February. The first week of February, I have a ton of space here. So I'm just going to use this space and then go on to my weekly reflections. Just before starting, I have had chosen out a few things that I want to put it up on this page. So the first thing that I definitely want to put up is this really pretty to-do list note. Now this is a basic bill book format, but what I'm going to do is use this as my video ideas or a to-do list of sorts. So this will go here, and I have a few things already picked out, and I have my entire stack of washi tapes also here. So as you can see, I'm going for very nudie brown vintage kind of theme. So let me pick out an appropriate washi tape. So I have this really pretty gold washi tape. So I'm just going to start with this washi tape, and this will be covering up this blank space for my video ideas, and let's see how things go. So yeah, I have put down my washi tape. So let's see how are we putting other things up. So as you see, I have picked out these really vintage nice looking things. Let me put in the bigger things as an arrangement and then decide how to go about it. I think this is I'm also going to hide these days of the week. As you could see in the last month's pages also, I have two more of these, but I have nowhere to put this. Before filming the video, I just take out a few elements that I think will look good all together, and then randomly start placing it. So this does not go very well. I'm just going to use one of these. This looks very busy already. And I will need some space to write up as well. So I think this is it. Let me just stick all of this and be back. And I'm going to just use my regular correction tape. This is from Miniso to cover up. So that's it. This is all I'm going to decorate for this week. Offline, I will obviously write in it what worked, what did not work, what am I grateful for, what I'm expecting next week to be like. So the exact 4 questions and my video ideas to be here. From the custom weekly reflections page, I also do something on the weekly dashboard that we have here. Now, generally, historically, I'll just quickly show. What I have done is just stuck in large sheets of papers that go together, and I think I should be okay. This has worked for me. One, it is getting a lot of my supplies used up, which I love to see, and second, it is also not disturbing any page going blank, which is also one of the biggest pet peeves I have when I use my planner. So for this week, I have just picked out this really pretty journaling paper to cover this entire thing off. This looks like a magazine paper. So instead of covering this up with another sheet of paper, what I've decided is to use this ink bucket sticker book and my first page itself, these really cute animals. I just wanted to use them somewhere, and I think this is an idealistic place to be using them. They are so cute. So just to give you a quick flip through of the weekly dashboard. So this is where I'm going to write all the ideas, video ideas that I have for February. This entire thing is going to be my weekly reflection. So this will be what went well, what did not go well, and what am I looking forward to in the next week. These are the 3 questions that I'm going to answer in this space. Here I will have my weekly gratitude section. Here I will have my next week's work goal and personal goals. And this is where, if at all need be, and this space is anywhere less, I'll quickly stick a small sheet of paper here and write as an extension. So that is it. This is how I do my weekly reflections. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye now.